Hidden costs of operating a short-term rental on VRBO. Operating a short-term rental on VRBO can be a lucrative venture, but the gross revenue often masks a labyrinth of hidden expenditures that can significantly erode your profit margins. To truly understand the financial viability of your property, you must look beyond the basic platform fees and consider the comprehensive cost of ownership in a high-turnover environment. While many owners focus on the 8% pay-per-booking fee or the $699 annual subscription, they often overlook the silent costs of accelerated wear and tear. Unlike a long-term tenant, short-term guests treat a property as a hotel, leading to faster degradation of high-traffic items. You will find yourself replacing linens, towels, and kitchenware far more frequently than expected. Additionally, the constant movement of luggage and heavy foot traffic necessitates more frequent wall touch-ups and floor refinishing, expenses that can quietly consume thousands of dollars over a few seasons. The utility surge is another significant drain on resources that many first-time hosts underestimate. Guests on vacation rarely exhibit the same conservation habits they might have at home. It is common for air conditioning to run at maximum capacity while windows are open, or for hot tubs and outdoor lighting to remain active around the clock. These behaviors can cause electricity and water bills to double or triple during peak months. Without smart home technology to monitor and cap usage, these recurring costs become a permanent tax on your monthly revenue. Insurance and compliance represent a specialized financial tier that standard homeowners policies simply do not cover. Relying on basic coverage is a dangerous gamble, as most personal policies specifically exclude commercial rental activity, leaving you exposed to massive liability. Transitioning to a comprehensive short-term rental policy, often endorsed by providers like Proper Insurance, comes with a premium that is substantially higher than a residential plan. Furthermore, many municipalities now require expensive annual permits, safety inspections, and the collection of local occupancy taxes, all of which demand both capital and administrative time. Maintenance and ghost expenses are the unpredictable repairs that arise from constant system use. With high occupancy, your HVAC, plumbing, and appliances are working overtime, leading to mechanical breakdowns at the most inconvenient times. Emergency repair visits during a guest stay often come at a premium rush rate to avoid negative reviews or forced refunds. Beyond repairs, you must factor in the ghost costs of consumable restocking, items like high-end coffee, toiletries, and cleaning supplies, which, while small individually, aggregate into a substantial annual line item. Professional management and cleaning are often the largest variable costs, yet they are frequently undervalued in initial projections. If you are managing your property yourself, professional firms typically charge between 10 and 30% of your gross revenue. Even if you self-manage, the cost of a reliable, high-quality cleaning crew is non-negotiable, as cleanliness is the primary driver of the reviews that sustain your listing. In 2026, labor costs for specialized turnover services have risen, and failing to budget for deep cleans and carpet steaming will eventually lead to a decline in property value and guest satisfaction. Finally, the financial impact of cancellations and seasonality creates a volatility that can disrupt even the best-laid plans. Under VRBO's 2025 and 2026 policies, host-initiated cancellations can result in tiered penalties ranging from 10% to 100% of the booking value. Moreover, your property may sit vacant during shoulder seasons, while fixed costs like property taxes and mortgages remain constant. Owners who fail to build a cash reserve for these low occupancy months often find themselves subsidizing the property out of pocket, turning a supposed asset into a temporary liability. We welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos about real estate, investments, and finances. Thank you.